Credit union leaders attending CUNA's Governmental Affairs Conference here in Washington are heading to Capitol Hill for meetings with members of Congress. What issues are you going to be pressing at the meeting with the representatives?
Well, obviously tax exemption, making sure we remain tax exempt in the tax law.
Obviously, one's going to be don't tax us, the taxing, and then the membership business lending still, so we're still pushing for that one. So those are the two big issues that we're going for.
We're headed over to meet with Eric Paulson, and one of the topics we're going to talk about is member business lending and having that cap lifted. It does have an effect on our credit unions and obviously our members, and so that's one of the things we'll be talking to them about.
And another item that we'll be talking about is don't tax my credit union. Credit unions are nonprofit organizations and financial cooperatives compared to the large banks that are for profit. So really focusing in on our ability to be a financial cooperative, giving back to not only our member owners but also the communities at large.
Another big issue I think is member business lending. The artificial cap of 12.5% just doesn't make sense, and as many of the Congress people said, making loans to small businesses that banks won't touch is really important and helps drive the economy and will help us in our recovery as we go forward.
We're also looking for, let's go ahead and start sharing the piece of the pie on what we've experienced for losses and responsibility in regards to the data breaches. We'd like to get the merchants involved on that side with us as well.
How about the data security issue? We've been hearing from a lot of credit unions how much that's impacting them. Are you going to hit that message home too?
Absolutely. Yeah, we're going to talk about that. It definitely puts our members at risk. My own family, my wife had her card compromised, and it costs the credit unions to reissue those cards. And it's a cost that the members shouldn't have to be charged with because it wasn't their fault.
In Washington, I'm Nicholas Ballasy, Credit Union Times.